and clean. Previous day mark, keep the levels keen. BOC set to VAH, climbing steep. VAL down under where the buyers keep. Opening range 930, marking the fight. 45 at closest, watch the labels light. Initial balance dashed in bold. Dashboard ticking numbers, watch the story told. Week VWAP rising, month VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level true.
That's how it's done.
Come on. Can't stop, the tick don't lie. Can't stop, the value's high. BOC, VAH, VAL, we ride the way. Can't stop, VTC.
Every day.
Randy calling ranges, Evan on the screen. Austin running live, sharpest that I've seen. Asia high and low, London do the same. All-time high extended, we don't play the game. Strong down, outside.